Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. It's great to be here with you today. And hello to all our wonderful listeners.
Hi, Paul. How are you today? You look happy.
I am very happy, thank you. I feel great today. And you, Emily? How are you?
I am great, too. I have a lot of energy.
That's fantastic. Energy is good.
Yes, it is. And because we feel so good, I think today is a perfect day to talk about health.
Health. That is a very important topic. A really good topic.
It is. So today, we will talk about health. But first, a small message for you, our listeners. Please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and give this episode a like. It helps us a lot. And please share it with your friends and family.
Exactly. Thank you, everyone. So, Paul, health. Let's start.
Okay, I'm ready. Health is a big word. Where do we start?
Let's start with the doctor. The doctor.
The doctor, yes. When we feel sick, we go to the doctor.
That's right. We go to the doctor. Or we go to a hospital.
A hospital is a big place with many doctors and nurses.
Yes. Do you like going to the doctor, Paul?
That's a good question. I don't love it, but I go when I need to. I know the doctor helps me.
Me too. I go when I feel sick. For example, when I have a cold.
A cold. Yes. You feel tired, your nose is red.
Yes. And I say, "Hello, doctor. I think I have a cold."
And the doctor is helpful?
Oh, yes. The doctor is very kind. He or she asks, "How do you feel?"
How do you feel? That is a good question. You can say, I feel sick, or I feel tired.
Exactly. Or you can talk about a part of your body, like, "My head hurts."
My head hurts. Yes, a headache. That is very common.
It is. Or, "My stomach hurts."
Ooh, yes. My stomach hurts. That is not a good feeling.
No, not at all. I remember one time I had a bad cold, a very bad cold.
Oh, no. Tell me about it.
I felt so tired, so tired, and my head was, big headache.
So you went to the doctor.
Yes, I went to the doctor. I said, "Doctor, I feel very sick."
And what did the doctor say?
The doctor was very nice. He said, "Okay, Emily, please sit down. Let's see."
That's good. A nice doctor makes it better.
Yes, he checked my eyes, my ears. He was very professional.
And he helped you.
He did. He told me to drink a lot of water and to sleep.
Water and sleep. That is very good advice.
It is the best advice. And in 2 days, I was better. I felt good again.
That is a great story. Simple things like water and sleep are so important.
They are. What about you, Paul? Do you have a story about the doctor?
I do. Last year, I went to the dentist.
Ah, the dentist. The doctor for our teeth.
Yes, exactly. I go to the dentist every year. It's important for my teeth.
It is very important to have a happy smile.
Yes, a happy, healthy smile. So, I went for a checkup.
A checkup is when the doctor just looks to see if everything is okay, right?
Exactly. A routine visit. The dentist was very friendly. She said, "Hello, Paul. Please open your mouth."
The famous words, open your mouth.
Yes. And she looked at my teeth. She said, "Your teeth look good, Paul. Good job."
Oh, that's great. It feels good to hear that.
It does. It feels very good. She said, "Keep brushing your teeth in the morning and at night."
Good advice. Morning and night. Simple.
Very simple. So, going to the doctor or the dentist is a good thing. It helps us stay healthy.
Yes, I agree. We should not be scared. They are there to help us.
That's right. So, we talked about when we are sick, but what about staying healthy every day?
Oh, that is my favorite part. Let's talk about exercise.
Exercise. Wow, yes, let's talk about it. Do you go to a gym, Emily?
I do. I go to the gym 3 times a week.
3 times a week. That is fantastic. Good for you.
Thank you. I like it. It gives me energy. What about you?
I don't go to a gym, but I like to exercise outside.
Oh, outside. That is very nice. What do you do?
I like to run in the park.
You run in the park. That sounds so nice, with the trees and the birds.
Yes, it's beautiful. I run in the morning. The air is fresh.
That's the best time. I go to the gym in the evening after work.
And what do you do at the gym?
I like to walk fast on a machine. It's called a treadmill.
A treadmill. I know that machine. So you walk, you don't run.
Yes, I walk very, very fast. It's good for my heart. And I listen to music.
Music and exercise. A perfect combination.
It is. It makes the time go fast. And I feel so good after.
Me too. After I run, I feel tired, but it's a good tired.
Yes, exactly. A good tired. You feel strong.
Strong, yes, and happy. Exercise makes me feel happy.
Me too. Very happy. Sometimes I also lift small weights at the gym.
Weights to make your arms strong?
Yes, very small weights, not big ones. Just to feel strong.
That is great, Emily. So you walk fast and you lift weights.
Yes, and I drink a lot of water.
Ah, water again. Water is so important.
It is. When you exercise, you need to drink a lot of water.
I always take a bottle of water with me when I run in the park.
That is very smart. We need water for our bodies to work well.
So, let's see. Going to the doctor is important. Exercise is important. What else is important for health?
I can think of something very important and very yummy.
Yummy. Are you talking about food?
Yes, I am talking about food. What we eat is so important for our health.
You are so right. Healthy food makes a healthy body.
Exactly. So, let's talk about food. What is your favorite healthy food, Paul?
Ooh, that's easy. I love fruit. All fruit.
Me too. I love fruit. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite is the banana. I love bananas. They give me a lot of energy.
Bananas are great. I eat a banana before I go to the gym, sometimes.
Yes, for energy. They are sweet and delicious. And yours, Emily, your favorite fruit?
I love apples. Red apples. They are so crunchy.
I love the sound of a crunchy apple.
Yes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Ha! That is a famous saying, and it is true. Apples are very good for you.
They are. And what about vegetables? Do you like vegetables?
I do. I like them a lot. I love carrots.
Carrots. They are good for your eyes.
Yes, and I love salad. A big salad for lunch.
A salad is a fantastic lunch. What do you put in your salad?
I put lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Very simple.
That sounds delicious and so healthy. I love broccoli.
Broccoli. The small green trees.
Yes, the small trees. I think they are very tasty. I like to eat them with my dinner.
That's great. So we have fruit and vegetables. They are very important.
Very, very important. We should eat them every day.
I agree. What about breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast, Emily? It is a very important meal.
It is. For breakfast, I usually have yogurt and fruit.
Yogurt and fruit. That is a very healthy start to the day.
Yes. And you, what do you have?
I like to eat eggs for breakfast. 2 eggs and a piece of toast.
Eggs are very good. They have a lot of protein. They make you strong.
Yes, that's right. And I drink a glass of orange juice.
Fresh orange juice. So good.
It is. So, a good breakfast helps us have a good day.
It really does. And for lunch, you have a big salad.
Yes, and for dinner, I usually have chicken or fish with vegetables.
That sounds very balanced and healthy. I like fish too. It's very good for our brain.
It is. So, healthy food is very important. But what about unhealthy food?
Unhealthy food like cake and cookies?
Yes, like cake and cookies and ice cream.
I love ice cream.
Me too. I love chocolate ice cream. So, is it okay to eat these foods?
I think it is okay. Sometimes, not every day.
I agree. A small piece of cake on a birthday is okay.
Yes, it's about balance. Most days we eat healthy food. Fruit, vegetables, fish, chicken.
And some days, for a special day, we can have a small treat.
Exactly, a small treat. It makes us happy. And being happy is also part of being healthy.
That is a beautiful point, Emily. Being happy is very important for our health.
It is. So we talked about doctors, exercise, and food. These 3 things are big parts of a healthy life.
They are. So, a small review. We go to the doctor for a checkup or when we feel sick.
Yes, and we say things like, I have a headache, or I have a cold.
Perfect. Then for exercise, we can go to the gym or exercise outside.
Yes, we can run, walk, or lift small weights, and drink a lot of water.
Don't forget the water. And finally, food. We should eat a lot of fruit and vegetables.
Yes, and have a good breakfast, a healthy lunch, and a balanced dinner.
And a small piece of cake is okay. Sometimes.
Yes, Paul, sometimes. This was a great conversation. I feel very healthy just talking about it.
Me too. It is good to remember these simple things. They can make a big difference in our lives.
They really can, and it's not difficult. Small changes can help a lot.
That is so true. For example, maybe you don't run. That's okay. You can walk.
Yes, walking is fantastic exercise. Just walk for 20 or 30 minutes a day.
And for food, maybe you don't like broccoli.
What? Who doesn't like the little trees?
Well, if you don't like broccoli, you can eat carrots or spinach or tomatoes. There are many, many vegetables.
That is a great point. Find the healthy food that you love.
Yes, and find the exercise that you love. If you love it, you will do it.
If you love to dance, then dance. Dancing is great exercise.
Wow, yes, dancing is so much fun and so good for you.
So the message is, find what makes you feel good and healthy.
A perfect summary, Emily. Find what works for you.
Well, our time is almost finished for today. This was so much fun.
It was. I learned a lot, and I hope our listeners did too.
I am sure they did. So, for everyone listening, thank you so much for joining us on Mr. English Channel today.
Yes, thank you. We love having you here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episode.
And please give us a like and share this episode with your friends. It helps our channel grow.
And we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below. Tell us one healthy thing you like to do.
Oh, I love that question. Yes, tell us. Do you like to run? Do you like to eat apples? What is your favorite healthy habit?
We can't wait to read your comments.
It was wonderful talking to you, Paul.
You too, Emily. Stay healthy.
You too. And to all our listeners, goodbye for now and take care of yourselves.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.